So I know you guys have been patiently waiting for me to get a new project. Unfortunately, I am not able to get another project. But Ashley can get a project. And that she has. So I need to go pick up her new project. Well, it's hers, but I'm going to be doing the work on it. So it's still going to be about the same deal, but we need to go pick it up. And it's a long drive. Not saying where I'm getting it, but anyway, projects are coming. So stay tuned. Just leaving Jerry's, got the trailer hooked up. I just want to say he did an awesome job on the Cruise. He hasn't painted it yet. All the body work and priming work's done on it though, and it looks awesome. So as soon as I get a bumper out here, he can paint that and it'll be done. But I'm sure my bodywork bill is going to be a little bit more, but it's going to be done right. So, you know, it is what it is. You got to pay for body work. So I'm going to do a lot of work on this project that Ashley got. I almost spilled the beans right there. I'm going to do a lot of this work on this vehicle at home. Probably going to be some paint work done out here, but there shouldn't be any body work. I don't know. I checked the U-Pull-It yard and I can get parts. Hopefully there's parts left that I can get parts for it. But man, it's hot and muggy. We got to hit the road so we get out there in good timing. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Well, the turnpike cuts about a half an hour off my drive. So the turnpike it is. Thank God there's a service center up here. I gotta go to the little girl's room. Check it out. The Jeep has a water canteen, so when you break down, you at least have some water to survive for a little bit. No free advertising. I'm teasing you guys because you're not going to get to see it yet. This is a sight unseen purchase, so you know, I'm hoping everything's good on it, but you never know. I don't suggest doing this to anybody if you don't gamble, you don't like to gamble. I wouldn't suggest buying sight unseen, but I was sort of comfortable with a couple of these. This one, a little leery on, but she wanted to buy it, so that's what we did. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek, all right? What do you think it is? I know at least one person, and I know for sure one person is going to be more than thrilled with what Ashley purchased. I don't know about the rest of you, but I know one guy that always bugs me about this, and he says, get one of these, so he'll be happy. I'll tell you what, you see some weird cars driving through Harrisburg. I just passed a Mercury that was lifted. It looked like it had like 34-inch rims on it. Dumb. What'd you get?
2005 Subaru Impreza.
Ooh, it's an RS, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why'd you pick that?
Because it's cheap, but honestly, it's ugly.
Well, why'd you bid on it then?
Because the person that has expertise told me that would have been a good idea.
Yes, he did. Alright, so mechanically, the car is somewhat good. The engine sounds healthy. It has the normal exhaust shield rattle, which has pretty much been every Subaru I've gotten because of them, you know, lifting it up with the forklifts, it bends the exhaust shields and then they rattle. So it has that little bit of a rattle to it. No big deal. That's an easy fix. The car itself has 188,000 miles on it. It is all-wheel drive. We have a flashing cruise light and a check engine light, but the car does run and drive really good. Another thing we don't have is AC. The AC doesn't work. Real quick here, I have some Freon. This is not the correct way to do it, but I'm going to try to charge this system. Also, if there's a leak, I should be able to see that there's a leak somewhere, but it's raining right now. It's very hot in this car. So I'm gonna hurry up and try to charge this, but we don't have a head gasket issue. It's been running for about 45 minutes. Our temperature's good. Our antifreeze is at a good level. There's no bubbles in the tank. That's one thing you look for when the head gaskets are blown, is bubbling in the reservoir tank. It runs and drives great. I've already found a rim. The spare tire that's on there, that rim is shot. You can see it in the pictures, or when I passed through it. Found a rim at that Tyrone Auto Salvage where I've been getting my parts at for 40 bucks. So they're putting it back for me. I'm going to get it next weekend. Also, the U-Pull-It yard that I used to go to has 2 of these, and it looks like they're both hit on the passenger side, so I should be able to get everything I need. Wrong color though, they have a silver one and a black one, so you know, hopefully we get some good doors out of it. This thing does have a little bit of rust on the rear quarter panels. It's not through yet, but I don't know that we're going to do anything with it. The car has high miles. It has damage pretty much the whole way around. There's scuffs on the front bumper, scuffs on the back bumper, a couple dents in the hood. and none of that stuff is going to stop this thing from driving. But if I do get different colored doors, we are going to have them painted to match the car, so it does look a little bit better. It does have WRX rims on it, which look better, so that's what I did, what they're holding for me up at Tyrone Auto Salvage. If I can't get the parts I need at Johnny's You Pull It, then I'll get a hold of Tyrone Auto Salvage, because they have a lot of Subarus there, and I know I can get all the parts I need and possibly even get them painted the right color. But I'll get them for like a quarter of the price if I can find them at Johnny's You Pull It, so we're gonna go there. This thing did have, I'm gonna say, satellite radio, because there's a plug that comes from under the dash, and then we have wires over here for the antenna and the XM over here at the door. So I'll probably just cut them out. Don't want that in there. We'll just chop, disappear. The car needs some cleaning. The seats are really nice and clean. But yeah, not bad for Ashley's first car, and it was a cheap one. Well, I could not spot a leak, but we do have cold AC right now, so we'll see if that lasts. It feels good. It feels real good. Happy with that. Let me go in and get my code reader, and maybe we'll be able to see what this cruise and check engine light are about. I'm just going to leave the car running. It's running good. AC's blown cold. Very happy with the results so far. Alright, so I'm preparing to figure out the codes on this. Scan. The AC feels great. It's a catalyst system efficiency below threshold. And that is a pending. So let's go back, let's clear that. Okay. Read diagnostics. 1 of 3. Any one of the 4 ABS sensor signals. That's it. Front left ABS sensor signal. Which makes sense. We were hitting the front left. Right rear ABS sensor signal. So I'm going to clear these. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to replace some ABS sensors. Okay, so check engine light went out now. We still have cruise light. What the cruise light means, I turn cruise on and the cruise light stays on. I turn it off. Okay, who knows? The cruise light went out. All I did was hit the cruise button. So all our lights are out. Let's turn it off. Turn it back. It didn't want to start, did it? Definitely probably need an O2 sensor. All of our lights are cleared. Yeah, AC's working it. It's fairly nice. Needs clean. Needs some floor mats. Needs a rim. But yeah, it actually did good. I'm no detective by any means, but I can pretty much tell what happened to this by looking at it. Well, that car sounds like ass. This front rim is jacked up. The tire was blew out, so they hit something, blew the tire out, and then to me it looks like they scraped the guardrail. That's what it looks like. I mean, it's pretty much what guardrail damage looks like. So I'm going to try to get both these doors with the mirror, fender. We're going to use this bumper. I got a rim. What else are we doing? I got to order a key. I want to get a regular key and the key fob. I have to learn how to program that. Might have to go to Subaru, but like I said, it's not perfect. Did not break the headlight. Thank God that headlight's intact. They do need polished. It's got a mark on the hood right here. A couple other dents in the hood. Not perfect, but this will be a fun project that I can do a lot of the work myself. I'll probably do this body work myself back here, but you can see there is a small bit of rust right there. I don't know if I can remove it or not. I'm going to try. There's a little bit of rust on the other side as well. You can see very small amount, but yeah, we'll see what we can do with it. I need the inner fender wells missing out of this fender. It's not in the back. You can see that rim. See how it's bent right there. So it's raining. I'm going inside. This sucks.
Stewie, how do you feel about Mommy getting her first car on someplace? Huh? How do you feel about it? What?
So anyway, if you're excited about this project, Stewie is, she's not going to be working on it. I know. She got the project, but Mr. Fix-It here is going to fix it.
Because you're just handy like that.
Yeah, and you don't know what's wrong with it anyway. Besides looking at it and seeing that it's crunched from the side, right?
Yep, that's right.
You went in on this, Stella? Camera's not really getting her like great. You're just a shadow. She actually got in the... Oh, there she is.
Do you want to say anything about?
Oh, yeah. And your girl here made it to semifinals in the Miss Health and Fitness competition. So go to this link up here. We need all your votes.
Oh my gosh.
We need all hands on deck. She's in second, like right this second, but she's probably
These girls are they're amazing. Like, they're gonna be tough competition, like, no doubt.
Yeah.
And if you are gonna purchase warrior votes, please wait till it's double votes. It will tell you when you go to click your free daily vote. It'll say below it if it is double votes.
And I'll put it on my page if you follow me on Facebook.
I seriously appreciate all you guys helping me out. Like, you don't understand how much this means to me, so thank you.
How much does this mean to you?
He's like, I want Mommy to win. Tell him. He's too tired.
He's so tired.
Oh my.
Anyway, so like, subscribe, go check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you on the next one. No, you ain't doing it.